Oh, it's still on. Hello. It's not turning off. So today we are taking the cat off the Supra and cleaning it out, taking all the honeycomb stuff out, and we're also putting speakers in the S14, I think, and we're cleaning our cars. So we're doing a few things today on this fine Sunday with temperature over 40 degrees, but it's all good.
G'day.
Hey mate.
G'day, how are we?
Shit, our cars got dirty last night, man.
Oh,
that dust storm killed them. Oh no. You should see how dirty my car is from it. It's terrible. Yeah, so that's what we're getting up to today. So we'll jack up the Supra now.
No, I was going to start. It's the 12-point Ryan McCracken car plan build today. I'm going to start by tightening up the throttle body. No, the throttle cable. Get that all smooth again. Then we're going to try and bash out the cat. And then, hopefully, we might be able to chuck on this neat little cannon I've got on here.
Nice, shiny.
Shiny, shitty welds, but it does the job.
I can't get over how dirty our cars got. Country road, take me home. Right, mint. That's what we're doing today, apparently.
Yeah.
Woo. Guys, so now that they're knocking the cat out of the Supra, I thought I'd get you started on the new speaker install for the 14. Got some Sony ones. I've already put ones in the back previously. We're just going to take the door cards off the passenger side as well and replace these speakers. That's it. So we've got the old factory ones here, the new Sony ones, just look very nice. Some wiring, some mounting screws. Just use the factory ones. These speakers were about $80 from Super Cheap. Hopefully they work pretty good. Bangers has almost got the cat off. He's tucked under there quite well. He's done. It was on there a bit tight. We had to get some WD-40. It's coming off, but how you going, mate? Bit hot?
Oh, it fucking sucks. No other words for it. The fucking door.
This was Bangers' exhaust. He had a hot dog, so when he bought the Supra, it came with 3 different tips. Came with a hot dog, a Canon, and stock exhaust. Now we're putting on the Canon. We got the cat off. Ooh. Ooh. Supra Cats are so weird. Oh yeah, all that is coming out. So while Bangers was bashing out the cat, Jordan put on the Canon. Looks good, nice and clean. It needs a new exhaust system, full stop, I think. But anyway. The speakers are in.
The very next evening.
So this is night 2 of the Cat Clear. We've gotten everything out. So yeah, we'll put it on, and we'll show you what it sounds like. And I'm exhausted. Brendo's here. Nice. It's not what the inside of your cat should be. We're finally done.
2 days of hard work.
Yes, it was a lot harder than we expected, but we're done. So this is the startup. See if it'll shoot some mad little flames. Oh, this is gonna be so loud. Oh, that's hot! Well guys, thanks for watching. That's not a very long video, but it was a very long process of getting this done. Until next time, see yous all, goodbye.